There, like I mentioned before, there are actually 10 different items that normally is focused on in a strategy session, and ranging between half an hour to 60 minutes. So these questions altogether would actually take about an hour and a half. But because we only have 20 minutes together, I would like to ask the group for a consensus. We can do one of the two things, okay? We can, in your separate pods, we can choose to work on one business of the other person and spend a full 20 minutes on all the 3 questions, or we can, as a group, choose one of the 3 questions that we would like to focus on, and everybody gets to work on their business. So who likes the first option, which is choosing one person's business in the group and spending 20 minutes on 3 questions? I'll take a raise of hands. Okay. So then, does that mean that everybody agrees on that we want to just choose one question so that everybody can work on that one question and practice that way? Okay. So what questions do you guys feel is the most important that you want to work on? You can do developing your company's mission statement, determine what your company sells, or understanding your customers and their needs.
Well, just as a preference, I like determine what your company sells. But I mean, what does everyone else?
Is that okay with everyone?
I mean,
Yeah.
it's just.
I like understanding your customers and their needs.
And their needs.
And their needs, okay. What about you, Trin?
I would do either one, 4 or 5.
Okay, so let's do, since we have 2 people who wants to do determine what your company sells, we're gonna do that. But just keep in mind, this is just a practice. So again, practice and remember the ground rules, because this is gonna help you when you do the real strategy session, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so it's exactly 1:50, so we're gonna start doing the strategy session. Now, do you wanna get into groups of 2 since you're already kinda this way? Okay, so it'll be girls versus guys. All right, and I'm gonna remind you at the 10-minute point, okay, when it's time to switch over and go to the other person's company, okay?
I have a quick question.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean by unique selling proposition?
So your unique selling proposition is what makes your business stand out. Like, for example, what is your business? So like, if your business is selling like organic fruits and vegetables, you have to determine what makes it special, right? How does it stand apart from other organic fruits and vegetables out there, right? Okay.
Yeah.
And then the second part is how does it complement your values and principle? Well, when you, in Urban Fire One, you worked on your life's mission plan, right, and your GPS. So your business is essentially yourself, and it's a way of life. So, for example, if you were a very, let's say you were a generous person or a very forgiving person, it probably wouldn't really align with your values to go into business as a bill collector. You know, you just might not wake up every day feeling like this is the business you want. Or let's say if you're a vegetarian, your business might not be a steakhouse, right? So those are some extreme examples. Okay. Does anybody have any other questions before we begin?